Now tell me, what did you do with all the money? I invested all of it in production.
Production of what?
My product idea.
Tell me, you at least built a prototype?
No.
Did you test it with real users?
No.
Did you even show it to an engineer to see if it actually worked?
No. I did something better.
Oh, really? So tell me, genius, what did you do instead?
I patented it.
Bravo! Bravo! Ladies and gentlemen, the inventor of the century!
The one idea he ever had, and the first thing he does before testing it is run to patent it. You know, you just lost all your money, right? How many units did you produce?
50,000.
50,000 units of what? Some useless piece of crap?
A smart comb. For people with no hair.
Oh, great. That's exactly what we were missing. A product that helps you remember when you still had hair. For bald guys who identify as hairy.
Exactly. This is $1 million idea.
That's your $1 million idea! You test it, you build it, you prototype it, and Amy when it works, then you patent it, then you launch. And now, my friend, TH8 is what actually makes a product $1 million product!
And the only experts I know who do it that way. Limedesign.